Unlocking the meaning, replace the windows. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations, especially if you're talking about home improvements or repairs. Yes, you guessed it. We're discussing what it means to replace the windows. This might sound straightforward, but there's more to it, especially for English language learners. So, let's break it down together. First things first, let's dissect the phrase, replace the windows. To replace means to take something out and put something new in its place. Windows, in this context, refer to the glass panes within frames that are installed in the walls of buildings, allowing light to enter and people to see out. So, when we combine these meanings, to replace the windows implies removing old windows from a building and installing new ones. This can be due to a variety of reasons like damage, improving energy efficiency, or updating the building's aesthetics. Understanding why people might want to replace windows can help learners grasp the usage of the phrase in context. Reasons include improving home efficiency. Newer windows often have better insulation properties, which can reduce energy bills. Damage repair. Broken or worn-out windows need replacing to maintain safety and comfort. Aesthetic upgrades. Upgrading windows can improve the look and feel of a home or building. Enhancing functionality. New windows might open or close more smoothly or offer better noise insulation. Now, let's talk about what happens when someone decides to replace the windows. This process generally involves a few key steps. 1. Assessment. A professional evaluates the current windows, measuring and recommending replacements. 2. Choosing new windows. Homeowners or building managers select new windows based on style, material, and features. 3. Removal of old windows. The old windows are carefully removed to avoid damage to the surrounding wall. 4. Installation. New windows are installed in place of the old ones, sealed, and finished properly. 5. Cleanup and review. After installation, there's usually a cleanup of the area, followed by an inspection to ensure everything is in order. When learning or using the phrase, replace the windows, be mindful of a few common mistakes. Not specifying the context. Make sure it's clear you're talking about physical windows in a building, not computer, windows, or anything metaphorical. Confusing replace with repair. While repair means fixing, replace means to completely remove and substitute with something new. Overgeneralization. Remember, the process and reasons for replacing windows can vary widely depending on the situation. And there you have it. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to replace the windows and the various nuances surrounding this phrase. Whether you're discussing home improvements, learning English, or simply expanding your vocabulary, understanding such phrases in context is key to effective communication. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.